Hello, traders. So this is our trade recap for last week's price action. So personally, I'm using strategy like the SMC concept or the ICT concepts on Forex. So what was I looking in the current price action is that I want to see a valid market structure in these current prices. So once I see this move down here, and we can clearly see a market structure shift or a breakup structure in this area. So we concluded that from this high to this low was a valid market structure. So I am looking for it's either a retracement to the inefficiencies, retracement to the equilibrium, and then some sort of manipulations in these yellow zones and taking a liquidity on sell sides. All right. So last week I was um, patiently waiting for some sort of retracement in this golden zone of this inefficiency. So we can clearly see that we have inefficiencies in these areas, around these areas in the 1 hour time frame and in these areas. So the market sooner or later will always retrace back in these areas. All right. So moving on, we will zoom in into 5 minute time frame. So um, let's take a look. All right. So um, for me, the best opportunity to if the market is still on the bearish side, the best thing for me to trade on is if we could clearly see a manipulation in this area and then taking all this buy side liquidity and then displacing back to the range and then some sort of fair value gap and then we could take our shorts in these particular zones. But the market did not show its manipulation stage enough. So I am currently waiting for some sort of manipulation in this yellow zone. So as you can see, this is a 1 hour imbalance inefficiencies. So I was hoping if there is some sort of data that we can use as a manipulations so that we could take shorts in this particular area. So I'm waiting, and as you can see, we have a strong bearish movement, but it does not retrace back in this area. So I was hoping that we could see a some sort of retracement in this um there in this move, okay, to take our shorts. Okay, I'm waiting. All right, so in this structure, in the 5 minute time frame, so we are clearly seeing a consolidation phase in this area, and then this is our accumulation phase, and then we manipulate in this area, targeting the equilibrium of this structure, this high to this low. And then I was looking for some sort of displacement back to these ranges and some sort of inverse fair value gap for us to take the short position. All right, so I was waiting. So as you can see, we are displacing back in this area, but I was waiting for my confirmations to go short. All right, so notice that we have a bearish order flow, and then we have a solid bullish action. So I was waiting that this bullish action right here will get invalidated and some sort of a strong bearish move for us to take our trade. So I was waiting. All right, so as you can see right here, we have now a break of structure. So meaning that the draws on liquidity will be this low right here, or on the equilibrium of this 1 hour bullish movement. Okay. All right. So I was hoping that we could retrace back in these zones right here. All right. So looking back in the 5 minute uh, time frame. So my take profit one is on these lows because this is a engineered liquidities, and I would like to close all my positions in this range equilibrium of this bullish action. So we clearly now see a break of structure from the downside in this 5 minute time frame. All right, so we could clearly see here that this break of structure has now a bullish movement. So if the market will continue taking this sell side liquidities right here, buy side liquidities right here, here and here, this fair value gap will hold as a bullish movement continuing upwards. But I see that this fair value gap right here was invalidated, and we clearly see a inverse fair value gap. So our team take the shorts here, me and Coach CJ. So this opportunity, stop loss above this, and then we target right here on these liquidities all the way back to this equilibrium. All right. So as you can see right here, we uh take all our profits because we have a clear bias on these areas. All right. So recap, we have a um solid valid market structure from the downside. From this point right here, we are now retracing back to the inefficiencies and equilibrium of this valid market structure. So we are looking for a some sort of manipulation, which is right here, and then manipulation the upside. So if this structure right here is a valid market structure, if this equilibrium at this point will continue forward, taking this highs right here, So the market will go bullish. But in this scenario, we clearly see a market structure shift in this area. And then we have a inverse fair value gap in this area. So the draws now are clearly on the sell side liquidities. Right. So that is how we do it in our academy or in our team. So if you want to study about ICT or the SMC concept, so this is a very high probability strategy. It's because we are trading about the context of the market structures. All right. So we just don't trade support and resistance, but we are trading about these ideas in what is happening on the structures from for our time frame. We are dissecting it and we are zooming to the 5 minute to 1 minute time frames. So that is our recap for um, last week's trade. So thank you for listening, guys.